Ready for us to lower?
Yeah, we want to lower.
Okay.
We want to lower. Wimbo tukuja.
Yes.
Come and help us.
Wetu ni rafiki. Anja zote zojua. Tukiomba kwa Baba.
My name is Jeffrey Mulambala Kefa, Seattle, Washington. Na tumekuja kwa mazishi ya kijana aitwa Brian Khalwale. Huyu kijana alipatikana amekufa, alichomeka. Ile bidii amefanya, tulifanya juu chini, tukamake sure kijana amechangiwa na Wakenya. Now we've been able to bury him today. We are happy how Kenyans came together, though it took around 3 months. Kenyans came together, and they were able to accord him a befitting send-off. And we appreciate the fact that it has not been easy, because there were issues that he was to be taken back to Kenya, but we opted to take whatever the next of kin, who apparently the mother who came, the mother is the one who came up with the decision that Brian has to be buried here in America. Now they came with the sister, her name is Talma. So far we've been able to finalize. With all the plans are taking 3 months. Yes, it's not been easy, but we thank God.
Wow, that's fantastic. I want just to ask you a question. How good it is, or how can you encourage Kenyans to be in a community, because it's the community. Unajua kuna watu wanakuja hapo wanajitenga kidogo. The need of Kenyans being in a community and kutokezea kwa mambo ya community. How helpful it has
I
been.
can assure you, community is the in thing here in America. Because there's another group that has started. They did their part. We appreciate what they did. Then whatever contribution they had done wasn't enough, because it had taken so long and do the investigation about the death and all that. But what I can assure you is this: when Kenyans come together, because the people who came in, we didn't even know them, but they're just Kenyans.
Yeah.
I mean, they didn't even have, any idea who Brian was. So they came in at the last hour. They call themselves Northwest. And they were very supportive. And also there's another group from Western, the Luya community.
Yeah.
They came and they were supportive also. We appreciate all the groups that came about and did whatever was possible. That made us to get to a point where we realized that one cannot stay aside.
Yeah.
We just need to be together. We just need to be in the event that somebody has a problem, that we come in as Kenyans. And I appreciate the Kenyans in Washington.
Yeah.
I can tell you for sure that they didn't look where the boy, most of them didn't even know Brian.
Yeah.
Me as a person, I didn't know Brian. I had never met him before. But I appreciate the fact that we were able to consolidate all the efforts, financial and prayers, and things were able to be done at the right time.
Wow.
And it was very possible for people to come in. It's very possible for next time. We're not saying that you're looking towards death.
Yeah.
But the kind of relationship that we have seen the Kenyans around here according Brian, God bless them.
Yeah.
We appreciate it.
Wow. That's amazing. In America, we don't have Luyas, we don't have Kikuyus. We are Kenyans.
We are here Kenyan.
Yes.
Actually, what I can tell you, don't look for a tribe here.
Yeah.
Yeah, don't look for a tribe. Just look at, this is a Kenyan. Yeah.
Wow.
You call me that this is a Kenyan, we'll be there to support. What I've seen, yes, they have been there. Yes.
Wow, that's amazing. Thank you so much for stopping by. God bless you and the family.
Thank you.
Asante sana.
Asante.